So over here is my T5. And the other day, it's a bit tatty in places, it's old. The other day, that happened. I need to fix it. So what you can see is all of this, it's been there since 2006, no doubt. So that's 20 years of plastic degrading. So it needs replacing, both of them. So I have some new ones, and they're black to go with the van, and there they are there. So going to start by removing the current ones, which are, so that's it there. So we're going to try and remove that bolt there, there, and that one there, and that should release it so that it comes out. If it doesn't for any reason, I shall take these two out here and this come forward and I can push it from the inside. So let's give that a go. First of all, I need the, whatever that is. So I have found out that it is a T20. That's pretty loose. Anyway, so I'll get that out, and then I shall get the next one out, and then we'll see where we stand. Bang! Right, so I've undone the screws and taken them out, and it seems that the whole thing is going to pop out from this hole here. Let's get it. Just had to pick the hottest day of the year to do this. Right, so once you've got that out, you pull this tab back and the clip comes out. And there is the old one, which is broke. So that's that. And that red bit went on the front, but it broke. So let's get the new one ready. It has like a little seal around this. So I'm gonna fit a new seal. Yeah, there's the direct replacement of that. Was like that on there, like that, and now the new one is there. So this little seal here isn't on this, but it comes with this, so I'm going to fit that on there. It's only the outer piece, not the middle piece. Stick that round and then we'll see how it fits. So there's your little weather seal stuck all the way round. It's even got an L on it, so you know it's the left hand side. Right, so I'm going to plug that plug in there into that end piece and offer it back to the door. It came with new screws. They are massive compared to the smaller ones that were in there. So I'm going to try the smaller ones first, just to see if I can't get them to work instead. Because they'll look much nicer with the proper Torx head rather than what looks like a bloody wood screw. There you go, original screws back in. They work to treat, and from the outside you can see it's all in. And when the door shuts, well, that's nicer than the red one anyway. Now I'm going to get this one out, it's all cracked. Same process, exactly the same job. There you go, all on. Result. So it was just over 20 quid, I think 22 quid. Next day delivery from Amazon. And it's transformed it. It's fixed the broken one, even if you didn't have broken one. Nice new ones in there, especially if you can get black ones to go with the black van, or just blacked out. Even on any colour van, looks nicer than red. Oh yeah, I think that's an upgrade well done, and very, very easy. See you later.